Hinge Dating App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. Most people get this wrong, but dating apps don't fail because of algorithms, they fail because of intentions. Hinge markets itself as the app designed to be deleted, but does that hold true in 2025? Hinge focuses on meaningful connections rather than endless swiping. Profiles are built around prompts and photos, encouraging conversation instead of quick judgments. The surprising truth is that the structure leads to longer chats and higher quality matches for many users. Using Hinge is straightforward. You like specific parts of a profile and start conversations directly. The app also learns your preferences over time, improving match suggestions. One major pro is engagement quality. Users often report fewer matches but better conversations. The interface feels intentional and less chaotic than swipe-heavy apps. However, you won't believe what happens next in smaller cities. The user pool can feel limited, and free users may hit daily like limits quickly. Premium features unlock more control, but come at a cost. In conclusion, Hinge is ideal for people seeking genuine connections. If you're tired of mindless swiping and want conversations that actually go somewhere, Hinge remains one of the strongest dating apps in 2025.